Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse guys for the rear window defroster, or known as rear window defogger guys, on BMW 3 Series E46. This should cover the whole generation from year 1998 to year 2006. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and any car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So let's start on it now and show you where that fuse is located. So we have a convertible here guys, but the non-convertible is the same way. Okay, for the convertible you have one extra fuse, so we will explain for both convertible and not convertible BMW E46. What we guys need to do now, okay, we need to go to the passenger side. Okay, we need to go to the passenger side. We need to open the glove box right here. Okay, once we open the glove box guys, we will locate our fuse box. Okay, let me show you okay where that fuse box is located. Actually that fuse box is located, okay, you can see those white things. Turn them that way and pull down. This is guys your fuse box, you can see. So where is the heated rear window defroster fuse now? If you have a regular car, not convertible, let's say sedan or a two-door coupe, okay, the fuse that we're looking at guys is fuse number 68. You can see the numbers for the top fuses are printed here. The bottom row, they will be printed here, but it's hard for me to show you. And the fuse that we're looking at, fuse number 68, it's a 30 amp fuse guys, okay, and it is this fuse right here, that's the one. So how you replace it, okay, you need to remove your fuse puller, so we're going to squish on top and pull it out. Okay, it's a little bit stuck. Okay, now you need to squish like that, go on top of the fuse, grab it on the front and pull it out. Okay, and the fuse comes out guys. The replacement fuses and all that stuff will be listed in the description of the video below. Please check it out guys, all that will be there. And all we have to do later, install your fuse. Okay, always make sure that everything's aligning when you install it. And it's very important not to forget to install your fuse puller, because you will need it next time and you don't want to lose that thing guys. Okay, let me show you like that. Perfect. And go up, close it, and this is it guys. Now if you guys have convertible, what you're doing for the convertible? For the convertible you have one more fuse that is for the rear window defogger, and this one will be guys, I won't even remove it, just show you quick, it will be fuse number 7 guys. Okay, fuse number 7. Okay, this 5 amp fuse right here, check this one as well. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.